Hey, what's up? Back again.
That first bass note hit me in the chest, and I was just like, there's no way that's 2/8.
MB Enclosures has his own YouTube channel, and this guy is an animal when it comes to designing boxes.
What's up? How y'all doing? Welcome back, MB Enclosures, baby. Let's do the unboxing of the WDXG5 8G4. Now, this is not the first time this sub has been on my channel. In fact, in the description of this video, and in all the descriptions of my videos, sometimes you'll find a little bit more than me advertising and I make enclosures. But in the description of this video, there's a link to the playlist of the G5, which I believe I had a G5 prototype at the time because mine had a black cone. It had a total black cone. And it was this model had the same, no it didn't. No, it wasn't. It was the G5 before. I believe it was the G5 before this with the writing on it. I hadn't actually got a hold of this model yet because I believe I painted the cone black, and then that's when they came out with these black cones. And then I actually got a pair that were black coned out. But this was when they was revising the G5. So now this is the current production model from DB Drive that they have out now. So we're gonna see. I know the surround has changed, but I think the other parameters are still so much the same. But this is the production model. I just happened to get a model that shouldn't have been released, but it was. But anyway, so when you open up, you got the manual. You got the DB Drive stickers. They give you the TS parameters here, but they also give you the TS parameters on the box. So on the box, this is what I liked about the G5. Now I went from the Sundown X8 to the G5, and that's why I went back and got another G5 so that I'm gonna show you its performance and what it can do on that particular song. The resonant frequency of this subwoofer is 34 hertz. That's nice, very, very low. Mechanical is 3.19, which is respectable. The QES, which is the balance of all the electrical signals, is 0.6. The QTS is 0.5. Now, 0.4 and under is recommended for a seal. Well, some people say 0.3 and under is really for a seal. 0.3 and above is for a ported enclosure. 0.4 and above definitely for, 0.4 and above definitely for ported enclosures. I believe this subwoofer can go a mixture of either one because with the low FS you can put it in a seal box for a fourth order. But I don't like running 8 sealed boxes. I don't even like running sealed boxes, period. At all. I don't like them at all. Now, as far as the ported box, I love the output that I got from the model I had. Loved it. I said it. I loved it more. I love that output, and it got loud on very little power, which belies that the model now that they have has a 78.6 sensor SPL. It was the SES reading. 78.6 means you could throw way more power than this 900 watts is supposed to take. Possibly. Absolutely. You'll see when I put them in on the power gates. The BL is 19.4, that's a very strong strength of the measurement of the magnetic field inside the gap. The moving mass is, I wouldn't say it's light, so I'm gonna say this is kind of heavy, 169. I know this thing has some deep lows. That I did know. I know it has a ceramic top plate, and I believe it has a ceramic bottom plate. That I know too. On the old model. And the new model, only thing that changed, and we're gonna get it out here so you can see. Only thing that really changed to me was the dust cap, as we can see here, and the surround. This surround material is unique. They do not tell you what the surround material is made of. It looks like a donut. I know the previous model, the previous G5 model before they went with this production model did. If you look back on my video, which will be in the description of the playlist, it was not this color. And I can recall that it didn't have this rubbery feel to it as well. So it has the same basket that a lot of manufacturers are using. I do like, the 6-spoke basket. It has twin spiders. The spiders appear to be progressive roll. They increase in size. Yes. The top plate has vents along it. I don't know if is it cosmetic or is it actually forcing air? No. It looks to be like these fins help the heat that's being generated on top of the top plate, the gap. These fins help the air. No, they don't go in. Look like they help the air move over the voice coil. Help it play cooler. Now heats the enemy, so it's the cooler can stay, the louder can play longer. You can see, I don't know if you can see it here, but these are, the top plate is ceramic. Like a ceramic, not a ceramic magnet, I mean, it's just a ceramic magnet. I like the gloss to be put on the top plate. I don't know what kind of, no, that is ceramic. You know, it is ceramic top plate and bottom plate. The force is the energy of the magnet, so they call that a ceramic magnet. Got a nice rubber boot on it, like it to be dual slug. This subwoofer is rated, if I'm not mistaken, 900 watts RMS, 1800 watts peak. We're gonna test that. I do know I was happy with the performance of the prior G5. Yeah, 900 watts RMS, 1800 watts peak. I was very happy with the performance of the previous model that they replaced my Sundown X6 at the time. So now we're gonna do I did the unboxing. Next we're gonna do a frequency sweep test. See how it moves in an open air environment. And then we're gonna put in one of my signature enclosures and let it immediately score. And from that point, you guys decide whether y'all want it running or not. But I can design a box for it. You can get a box for me for it at 404-694-4818. I build and ship and count on the U.S. Handsome, baby. Let's see what you do. Carbon fiber dust cap, not the imitation. Carbon fiber dust cap. Nice non-pressed paper cone. I think y'all gonna be pleasantly surprised. Maybe you can take one of the kings down. That's it, baby.